Welcome back to HSK Standard Chinese Language course. Today we are going to study lesson number 4 of HSK1. Lesson 4. She is my Chinese teacher. 她是我的汉语老师。她是我的汉语老师。Text 1. 她是谁？她是我的汉语老师。她叫李月。During last lesson we saw Li Yue is the name of person. So name of my teacher is Li Yue. 她是谁? Who is she? 她 here it is used for woman or girl. This 她. Question is 她是谁? Who is she? Answer is 她是我的汉语老师。她叫李月。Let us see what are the new words in this dialogue. 她 means she, her. 谁 means who, whom. 谁 the is used after 汉语 it is Chinese language. So we are learning Hanyu, Chinese. Here you can see how to write these words. Be careful while writing. You should remember the writing rule. Start from left to right and top to bottom. Ta is very simple. Here you can see. Ta. And next one is she. She is who, whom. Who are you? 你是谁? The it is very important word and we will cover this word in grammar. 汉语 so this is 汉语. Text 2. 你是哪国人? 你是哪国人? Which country are you from? So just guess who is asking this question. Who is A and who is B? A is asking 你是哪国人? Which country are you from? The B reply is 我是美国人. I'm American. 你呢? How about you? 你呢? Means how about you? When we use na, it means simply the last question. What about you? 我是中国人. So in this picture you can see that A is this girl and B is this boy, because this girl at the end said 我是中国人. I'm Chinese. New words in this dialogue. Na means which, where. This is very useful word. Guo, as we saw in last lesson, Guo, it means country, nation. N, it is used at the end of a question. N. Let us see how to write these words. Na, it is which, where. Na. And guo, this is how we write guo. You should practice writing. N, this is n. Simple to write. Okay, so now we have the final dialogue of this chapter number 4. 他是谁? Who is he? 他是谁? Whenever you want to ask about someone you don't know, you should ask 他是谁? Who is he? 他是我同学. He is my classmate. 他是我同学. He is my classmate. 他呢? How about her? 他是你同学吗? 他是你同学吗? Is she your classmate? 她不是我同学。She is not my classmate. 她是我朋友。She is my friend. So here you can see this 朋友 means friend. This is very important to remember this word 朋友 because we all are friends. So 我们都是朋友。Are you my friend? 你是我的朋友吗？ Here I want you to look carefully between these two 他 this one 他 and this one. These both are called 他 but their writing is different and their meaning is different. This 他 means for boys, he or she, and this 他 means this is used for boys. 他 it means he, 他 this means she, and as you see the first part of both words are different, the second part is same. So this is used for girls and this is used for boys. New words in this dialogue are 他 means he, him, 同学 classmates, 朋友 is friend. So you can have many 同学 but you will have very few 朋友. So 同学 is classmate, 朋友 is friend. Writing of these new words 他 again 他 is very simple to write. 同学 classmates, 朋友 repeat after me, 朋友 friend. Comment below that you are my friend. How to write? 我是你的朋友。我是 I am 你的 your 朋友 friend. That's all for today. As in last lesson we did a quiz, here we again have a quiz for you. So we have a 6 fill in the blanks and we have to select the most appropriate from these figures A, B, C, D, E, F. For example, first one ta. What should we use here? L, A, B, C, D, E, yeah, B. If we say ta means he, him, this picture is very relevant to one, ta. So we will write here B. In same way, you have to complete all these fill in the blanks and you can comment below. We will check it later and respond you. And also scan these codes to like our Facebook page and join our WhatsApp group to practice your Chinese. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next week. Take care.